초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another style and sexy lingerie ang ating haul and review from Shein naman po tayo. So galing po ito ng Shein, so let's do it. Atin ang simulan. Wow. Oh, wow. This is see-through. And this is from Shein. So, look at this. Wow. Nice. Sexy. So, this is my new collection for today. Ating titignan yung kanyang material at saka yung kanyang quality. Look at this. This is a see-through. Para siyang kulambo, fishnet. Ang style ng ano natin. Ayun, tingnan nyo. Very see-through. Look at this. Nice po ang kanyang pagkatahi. Naku, very good talaga ang quality. Nice quality. And the ribbon. Wow. Napakaganda ng combination niya. Pero dito sa garter, nice. G-string po ito. Dahil maliit lang po. Ang kanyang garter po, maganda po ang pagka-stretch. Firm lang po siya, kaya hindi ito masakit sa balat. At tingnan natin sa ilalim. Wow! Na wow talaga ang tahi. Talagang perfect ultimo dito. Kaya lang maliit dahil ito ay tong panty. Look at this tong panty. Oh, very see-through because this is a fishnet, like fishnet material. Oh, look at this. This is, ano ba ito nakalagay? 90% polyamide ang kanyang composition and 10% elastin. So, in China din. So, kailangan ito ay gusot ko. So, hand wash lang po ito. So, look at this, very see-through. So, dito, ito po yung magkano sa ating body. Very see-through din siya. And, look at this. Ito po, tinahi po ito sa Bernina. Ang tahi nito. Hindi ito embroidered. Bernina po itong pulang ito. So, napakaganda ng pagkatahi. Look at this. Ayan, oh. Nice quality. So, sa quality, good. And the material, good. And the crotch, talaga na bang safe yung ating private part dito dahil meron siyang small amount of cotton. Cotton po ito, kaya okay po ito. So, this is a sexy G-string see-through fishnet lingerie panty. Look at this. This is a back view and this is a front view. So tingnan natin ito. This is a front view. Look at this. So nice and very nice style. Look at this. At tingnan natin yung kanyang size. Agoy, kaya pala medyo malaki. This is a large size pala. Naku, kaya pala medyo malaki siya. Pero okay na rin. Tingnan mo to. Oh. Ganda. Nice quality product. So, that is for today for our sexy G-string see-through fishnet lingerie panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.